Okay, so thus we find out the zero error. This is zero error, this is negative साइड. जब नेगेटिव साइड में है तो हम रीडिंग लेंगे. मान लो इसमें एक्चुअल में 4 मिली एम्पियर रीडिंग है तो ये जीरो पे आकर नीडल रुक जाएगी. तो 4 तो यही हो गया, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेगी, यहाँ तक मूव करेगी तो 4 मिली एम्पियर यही हो गया. फिर यहाँ से आगे बढ़ेगी 10 इन दिस वे. Yes, the next one, let us discuss the next one. I have made the PDF again. This is the dial-up voltmeter. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is voltmeter. What is given? This is divided in 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. This is 5. Here, when this is out of circuit, means the zero error, the needle, it is put aside. The zero error, the needle is here. This is the needle. When the voltmeter is not in use, तो ये zero error. अब क्या ये? This is 1 volt. This is 1 volt. Zero mark is here. So what is the LC? LC is 1 volt divided by 10 divisions. So 1 division की value लो 10 divisions. 1 divided by 10 means 0.1 volt. This is LC. Now the least count. The least count is on right side of 0. Means when there is no voltage in the circuit, it is reading 3 divisions पे. Means 3 divisions है तो 0.3 volt. तो यहाँ पे zero error. Zero errors means ideal condition में कितना read कर रहा है. How much reading is there in the ideal condition and it is not connected in the circuit. It is 0.3 volt. This is zero error. And this is on positive side. Zero error is always घटाया जाता है. मतलब it is deducted from the reading so that we get the actual value. Let it is connected and we get the needle comes here. Let it is put in the circuit and needle reads here. 2 volt. Needle comes here at the reading. Reading is 2 volt, not the actual value. Actual value of the voltage in the circuit is not known to you. It is reading is coming 2 volt. So what is the actual? The value of the voltage, the actual voltage. Actual voltage V is equal to ये reading माइनस घटाइए इसको. Now it is on plus side. Your zero error is with positive sign. What is the zero error? Zero error को हमेशा प्लस माइनस में लिखेंगे. तो here it is right side of zero, तो प्लस इतना है, इस समय प्लस है. When it is not connected, the needle showing 0.3 volt. So reading minus this, minus 0 error. So reading is 2 volt and minus 0 error is plus 0.3. So it is 2 minus 0.3. It is 1.7 volt. In this way, you will find the actual value of the voltage. Now, as the two dials are given, the current flowing through a resistor, through a resistance connected in an electrical circuit, and potential difference applied across its ends are shown in the figure. Only two dials are given. These dials are showing the value of ampere and voltage in a circuit. So this is the first one. This dial is made in this way, half circuit, and this is made in this way, half circuit, and this is here 0, and this is here 300, and this is milliampere, and this is here 100, this is 200, this is 100, this is 200, and here also this is 0, this is 1 volt, this is voltage, and this is 2 volt, this is 3. How these are divided? This 100, 0 and 100 mark of the ammeter in milliampere dial, this is equally divided in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is fine. In same way, this is divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. Now the reading is shown. This reading is 1 point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो इसकी ये नीडल यहाँ पर है 200 के पहले, और ये नीडल दिस 1 डिवीजन यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है. This is the center. You know the 100, 0 to 100 divided by 5, the LC 100 milliampere divided by 5 equal, it is 20 milliampere. This is LC least count. मतलब one smallest division's value is 20 milliampere. Here one small division reads how much voltage? 1 LC. 1 volt divided by 5. 0.2 volt. इसकी LC इतना है, 0.1 division will read 0.2. तो यहाँ V कितना है? अब V is reading, take the reading value 1.8 is equal to 1.8 volt, and here 20 कम कर लीजिए, M is equal to 180 milliampere, and this is 180 divided by 1000, This is ampere. This comes to be 0.180 ampere. SI unit same रखना है. So here the voltage is 0.2 volt. So ये question is the value of resistance. ये सर्किट की बात कर रहा था. ये R है. This dial is here V and this dial is here A. So what is the value of this R? Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So R is equal to V by I. V is 0.2 volt. LC, not reading, not LC. It is LC. It is reading 1.8 volt, 1.8 volt, and this reading is 0.18, 0.180 लगाइए ना, एम्पियर या वोल्ट, एम्पियर, मिली एम्पियर में नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि यूनिट रेजिस्टेंस की है वोल्ट बाई एम्पियर, नॉट वोल्ट बाई मिली एम्पियर. In SI units में लेंगे तो 1.8, so it will become, इसमें given there are 4 options, 15 ohm, 25 ohm, 20 ohm, 10 ohm. It will come 10 ohm. Okay. Now next question. Similar questions are there asking for let us take these 2 questions on least count. They have some different feature, so we have to take these questions. The scale of a meter is shown here. This is 0, this is 2, not written, this is 4, and this is 6. This is a meter, and there is a mark in between 0 to this is, maybe it is the mark of 1, but not written. This is divided in 5. This is also divided in 5. So between 0 and 2 ampere, between mark 0 and mark 2 on this meter scale, the small divisions are 10 small divisions. तो LC पूछ रहा है, LC निकालोगे आप, value of 1 small divisions. So there are 10 small divisions. So this is 2 ampere and divided by 10. So this is 0.2 ampere. This is LC. And similarly, there is a voltmeter. What is given? This is the 0. and this is 0.5 mark, and this is 1.01 volt. This is volt, and this is 1.5. So this one is divided into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3. This 0.5, 0 and 0.5 mark is divided in 10 equal parts. The small divisions divided. This 0 and 0.5 इस मार्क के बीच में 0 से 0.5 के बीच में 10 डिविजन्स हैं. तो वैल्यू ऑफ व्हाट इज एलसी? द वैल्यू ऑफ वन डिवीजन. तो 10 डिवीजन की वैल्यू है 0.5 वोल्ट. तो इसको 10 से डिवाइड करोगे तो एक एलसी आएगी. एक स्मॉलेस्ट डिवीजन की वैल्यू वन, द वैल्यू ऑफ वन स्मॉलेस्ट डिवीजन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 डिवीजन. So here is 0.05 volt. In this way, you will get LC. Or you can jump here 1 volt. So total divisions will be 20 divisions. So 1 divided by LC ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो. 1 volt, 0 to 1 के बीच में there will be 20 divisions. So this will also come 0.05 वोल्ट. सेम थिंग. क्या जैसे आप पूरा डायल ले लो, यहाँ ले लो 6 एम्पियर, फिर 0 से 6 के बीच में कितने स्मॉल डिवीजन यू कैन फाइंड आउट. अब इफ यू टेक हियर 6 वोल्ट, 6 एम्पियर एलसी निकालने के लिए 6 ampere. How much small divisions are there? 5, 10, 10, 10, 30. 30. This will come 0.2 ampere. The concept should be clear. The smallest division that can give exact reading. अगर मान लो इस दो डिवीजन के बीच में कहीं निडिल है, let needle should be here, and let it is here somewhere in between this division and this division. So how can you guess? How can you find exactly? Here 0.2 है तो एक डिवीजन का, दिस डिवीजन का हो गया 0.2, दिस डिवीजन का हो गया प्लस 0.2. How much this? You cannot find exactly. So this will be somewhat 0.4 plus something. So you cannot, this dial cannot give exact value which is less than 0.2 ampere. It will give you 0.2 ampere, 0.4, 0.6, and you will get the multiple of 0.2 ampere. Some more questions, very interesting questions. If you practice, you will get. One more question, then I will stop here. We will take a next day. 4 students measure the reading by observing the position of pointer on the ammeter scale as shown below. Shown on the board. You see here. This is the dial ampere. Now this is 0. This is 0.5. And here gives 1.0, and then it is 1.5. Now this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 part में here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 part. So the pointer is third division, एक के बाद 1, 2, 3 यहाँ पर है. This is the center and this is the middle. So the 4 students observed and had written their readings. Student A says it is 1.25 ampere. B says, B writes in his answer, it is 1.30 ampere. C writes it is 1.15 ampere. And D writes 1.1 ampere. Now, the first figure, 1, it is okay. The needle is on the right side of 1, so it is, the value is more than 1. And also the question also says there is no zero error. There is no zero error. Zero error इंस्ट्रूमेंट में नहीं है, कुछ जोड़ना घटाना नहीं है. The reading will be the actual value. So now first, यहाँ अगर निडिल है 1 पे तो ठीक है, it is all right, it is 1 ampere. But what is the value of these 3 small divisions? So you have to find the LC, the value of 1 small division. So here are 0 mark between 0 and 0.5. There are 10 small divisions. So 0.5 ampere, 0 से needle अगर यहाँ पर है, if your needle is here, what is the value of the ampere? So A is equal to 0.5 ampere. This is the reading. But what is the small divisions? You divide 0.5 ampere in 10 equal parts. Then you will get the value of 1 small division. Means LC of this dial is 0.5 divided by 10. Which is 0.05 ampere. This is LC. Means the value of 1 small division. So here, when the needle is here at third division, 1, 2, 3, third division after 1. So the exact reading will be 1 plus how much? There are 3 divisions. 1 में कितना जोड़ोगे? 3 multiplied by LC. एक डिवीजन का तो 3 डिवीजन का वैल्यू, एक डिवीजन का 0.05, तो 3 डिवीजन का 3 multiplied by 0.05. So this is 1 plus 0.15. So this is the answer, 1.15 ampere. इस स्टूडेंट की रीडिंग सही थी. दिस वन वाज राइट. सी वाज राइट. द स्टूडेंट सी वाज taking right reading. His observation was right. 4 students recorded the reading of potential difference by observing the position of the pointer on an ideal voltmeter as shown. What is ideal? I had no zero error. Zero error is 0. One more question, then I will stop. Okay, this is voltmeter. This is dial. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And here it is 3. Stop. This is our needle ka center, and my needle is at this first small division. This is our pointer, and you know that these are divided in equal 5 equal part 1 to 3. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will divide these spans, portions, 5 equal parts. This length, this curved length is divided into 5 equal parts. Here is also equal parts. The first connect. This is about meter. The pointer is at this point. What is the reading? Naturally, the reading is more than 2 volt. But what is the value of one small division? Here is 0 and 1. Any 1 volt has been divided by 5 equal parts. So LC is 1 by 5, 0.2 volt. तो 1 division की value 0.2 volt. तो reading क्या है? Reading will be 1 plus कितना? 1 division पर है तो इतना value 0.4, यानी 1.2 volt. This will be the answer. Oh no, not 1, 2. It is 2. 2 के आगे है. It is right side up. The pointer has starting moving from here in this way and reaches at 2 and then also crosses 2 and stops at this first division. So it is 2.2. 2.2 volt. 4 options were there: 2.5 volt, 2 volts, 2.2 volts, 2.4 volts. The correct answer is 2.2 volt. Now there are also very good questions, but I will take one by one on next day.